So next plot we're going to look at is box plot. Box plot gives you a good idea about the distribution, whether it is skewed or what. Okay. So here we need to provide y values, okay, and x value is optional. So if we select cat MEDV as the x value, and remember this is category MEDV with 0 or 1. So you will have box plot plotted separately, once for 0 and once for 1. And let's look at the numeric variables and industrial so now we have, this is proportional non-residential acres, and this is kind of equally distributed, and here there are a couple of, in the case of MEDV equal to 1, the proportion of non-residential acres, there are a couple of outliers. Okay, box plot, okay, how does box plot work? So we have Q sub 1, Q sub 2 and median. Right? Then you have whiskers, and here we can, sometimes you do this in a quick and dirty way, in which case you just go to minimum and maximum and you have the whiskers, and that's it. But if you want a more informative box plot, then there is a limit that you will go to, which is I think 1.5 times IQR. IQR is interquartile range. Interquartile range is this. So you take 1.5 of that, and that would be your outer limit, upper limit and lower limit. And any value that falls outside that would be specifically plotted, and those are your outliers. So that's what's happening here. So these two are outliers. Okay? And let's do one more box plot. So cat met V is Y, and then say pupil ratio is Y. I mean cat met V is X, and pupil teacher ratio. So once again, so you see the zeros here, extreme outliers. So this is a problem, and they occur under MEDV equal to 0. So this allows you to identify the problem observations. Here also we have, so it occurs in both 0 and 1. Okay, so pupil teacher ratio equal to 0 here, teacher ratio equal to 0. So you use box plots to look for outliers and distribution, whether it is bell-shaped distribution or is there a skew. So here there is a slight skew to the left. This is equally distributed, but the median you see is kind of shifted on the upper side. So there is a little bit of a skew on the left side here as well.